I just want to thank everybody. Firstly, my family for all that they've done for my daughter tonight. This has been a long process since the beginning of the year. So, as you can see, there's been a lot of work with the dancers, with preparations and all of that. There's been a lot that's been put into this night, and it just highlights to me how much my family cares about me and for my daughter. So I just really want to thank you guys, my parents and every single one of my extended family and all of that. I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart.
I know you love me.
Noise.
Similar to Mike Jones, say my name enough, then I'm taking you home.
Ain't no party like a West Coast party, cause a West Coast party don't stop.
You like it more than I like it, so put it all over your face, don't bite it. Crack.
Tangata for long, bala ang wina. Ile chua ole sami tele. Oh my, iya ba ele lu ita welele.